The winner of this category, as well as the Taiohe Wahine, the next category, is also a recipient of the prize, the Robert Algie Trust donation towards sports. I'll go through the nominations first and then I'll read a segment of Robert Algie Trust. Our first nominee in this category is Nico McGregor. I don't think Nico's here, but I know his very shy father is here. Nico is of Ngāti Kahungunu Rangi Tāne descent and is a member of this year's Napier Boys First 15 rugby team. He is under 17 Hawke's Bay Athletics representative, under 18 Hawke's Bay Sevens rugby team, and under 18 New Zealand Maori Junior All Blacks, and under 19 Hawke's Bay basketball team. Kia ora, Nico. He must get his passing skills from... Sorry, my bro. Our next nomination for this category, Joseph Teofilo. Joseph is of Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngāti Moi descent and is a member of the New Zealand Chess Federation. He's our dark horse. He was placed first in the Wairarapa Regionals, team and individual, senior grade. He is Chess Power Wairarapa Regionals first place in team as well as individual, once again senior grade. New Zealand Chess Federation Secondary Schools National Finals, where he placed 11. He is Chess Power National Finals 9th place and 7 individual placings in the senior grade. Badges received. He received the Knight badge, the Checkmate with the Knight, and the Queen badge. I'd say they're pretty impressive, eh, bro? Just being a chess champion myself. 3 or more queens and win by checkmate, and the biggest gainer gain the most rating points at a tournament. He is the Wairarapa College Senior A chess team member and captain. Kia ora, Joseph. Our last nomination is Sam Smith. Sam is of Ngāti Raukawa descent and is a member of the Wairarapa College First 15 rugby team. He is also a member of the Wairarapa Under 18s team, where he is vice captain. He was selected for the Under 18s Hurricanes Regional Development Team, Under 18s New Zealand Māori Rugby Team, Te Tinia Maui Māori Central Region Colts Team, and he is a member of the Wairarapa Bush Sevens Development Team and was the Rutene Rugby Cup and Player of the Year for that team, for that recognition. Kia ora, Sam. As mentioned earlier, there is also a recognition from Robert Algie. Robert was from Featherston and was one of New Zealand's most popular wrestlers. His career spanned 12 years, winning a string of North Island and national wrestling titles and competing overseas on 15 different occasions, winning Oceania Golds, 2 Commonwealth Games silvers, and qualified for the 1988 Seoul Olympics. But unfortunately, Robert was unable to compete, developing cancer and passing away at age 33. Robert was extremely grateful for the support he received from the wider Wairarapa community and his coaches, managers and teams throughout his career and during his battle with cancer. He expressed a desire to help. Throughout his battle with cancer, he expressed a desire to help the youth of the Wairarapa through sport, and so the Trust was formed in 1990 and is endeavouring to pursue this dream for Robert Algie. The Robert Algie Memorial Sports Trust is a Wairarapa trust that assists talented sporting youth under the age of 20. In the nearly 30 years since the establishment of this trust, it has returned $110,000 to 500 individuals covering 30 different sporting codes. Aroha mai whānau, we have one more nomination in this category, sorry. If I could ask Kobe Wiramu Edge to come to the stage. Kia ora, Kobe. Another young man who's been busy, nearly as busy as me in my spare time. He is Year 10 at Wairarapa College, where he's the Year 10 champ. He has broken 6 records, and a record which was previously held by a Year 13 student. Now, Year 13 is like Form 7 for you fellas. So coming from a junior at the school, beating a record like that is phenomenal. He is a member of the Wairarapa Junior A basketball team, where they placed first in their competition. And he swims, a lot of swimming by the looks of it. He is a short course champion, which is a 3-day, 16-event championship. He achieved 11 personal best times and came first place in 10 of the 13 swimming race events. He is a Year 10 Wairarapa Inter-School Swimming Champ, first place in 2 of those events. 2017 National Age Group Swimming Champion, placed in the top 20 for the 50 and the 200 metre backstroke. He is the North Island Secondary School Swimming Champ. Kobe placed in the top 10 for 4 race events, including 3 personal best times. He qualified to New Zealand Secondary School Swimming Champs, New Zealand Secondary School Swimming Champ in Hamilton, in the Hamilton meet. He qualified to the New Zealand Secondary School Swimming Champion and entered 11 events. Pretty greedy, bro. He is a very, very busy man. Kia ora, Kobe. If I could ask Sport Wellington Wairarapa to come forward and present this trophy.
Kia ora whānau. It's Sport Wellington Wairarapa's pleasure to be a sponsor of the Wairarapa Maori Sports Awards. Congratulations to Whai Ora for all the work that they do with this event and recognising the qualities of all our young Māori athletes, or all our Māori athletes, and also congratulations to their committee who helped pull it all together as well. Without further ado, we'll announce the winner of the Tai Ohi, and this year's winner is Sam Smith.
Hello, I'd just like to thank my parents first of all. Stacey Grant there off his phone, is that a waita? Nah, all good. Just my coaches and managers, thank you.
Hi, I'm Sam Smith. I just won the trophy for the under 18 person who was the most sports something. I mainly play rugby. A bit of hockey, twilight hockey, volleyball, just every social stuff really. Loose forward, either number 7 or number 8. Probably chucking on the New Zealand Māori jersey and going out onto the field was a pretty good moment, so yeah. Like long-term goal, I've got another year of school, so just go back to school, see what I can do, set myself up maybe. Probably head over to Wellington, study, and then play rugby, try and make some teams, yeah. Pretty pleasing, eh? Just real happy to, do my family proud and friends and whatnot, and yeah, quite happy with myself.